Alright, so we are in May and I had an awesome April. In fact, I overachieved my April month's target. Yes, and I thought I deserve a holiday. So here I am enjoying in the middle of ocean. But as promised, I'm going to reveal how much I earned in April. Mind you, I am devoting just 30 minutes a day doing part-time affiliate marketing. And if you haven't checked my previous videos, the first quarter of 2018 has been awesome. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to enjoy ocean and what you do is, watch my stats. There you go. Alright, so there I am, already logged into my account, and April 2018. So guys, this is the first time I've achieved my target, and there you go. This is what I earned: 17,69,462. So my target was 16,66,000. So this is the first time not only I achieved it, but I overachieved it. And these are the campaigns which I did. So I think I added a new campaign. I wanted to test different campaigns, but not go to a totally different campaigns, maybe something similar to what I have been doing. So what I did, AliExpress and DHK, these two are kind of similar websites. So since AliExpress was working for me, it has been giving me good money since Jan 2018. So I tried this month for a change. I tried DHgate, and there you go. So I sent a lot of traffic on DHgate, and it did convert, and this is the amount which DHgate paid me. So these are the 4 campaigns which helped me achieve my target, and there you go. So just in case you're wondering whose account I have logged into, uh, it's me. There you go. Good night. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.